Hey royalties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you how I transformed this wig from this to this. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So this is the wig we're going to be using. This hair is from Yvonne Hair on AliExpress, and this is their kinky curly texture. And then the closure is from Bliss Wigs, which is also on AliExpress. So if you're interested in purchasing this hair, I'll go ahead and link it down below for you.
Hey, never felt this way. Can't get enough, so stay with me.
And if you've been following me for a while, I'm sure you have noticed that I like to transform my old wigs. I just think it's a great way to switch up your look and, of course, save money.
You're the only one, alright, alright. And you need to know that you keep me up all night. Oh, my heart is so good, I love you so bad, so bad.
So right here I actually ran out of bleach, so what I did, I just used my developer instead and added it to the rest of the hair. So that's just a tip for you guys. If you ever run out of bleach while you're bleaching your hair, you can always use your developer instead. It's going to take longer to lift, but it's still going to lift the color. So step 3 is optional. I went in with the Adore Semi-Permanent Hair Dye in the color Cinnamon because certain parts of the hair bleach lighter than other parts. So I just used the dye to make the hair all one color.
Mad woman, you get close to me. Slow dance these summer nights. Our disco ball's my kitchen. And you need to know that nobody.
After the wash and condition, I blow dried the hair, and then I used this hair straightener that I got from TJ Maxx for only $14.99. It was very helpful and it made the straightening process so much quicker. And I do apologize, I didn't realize that I didn't record how I straightened the hair, but pretty much you just plug in the tool and put it on your preferred setting, and then you just comb through the hair, which will straighten it. So this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed this video and that it was helpful to you. If you do have any questions, just feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll speak with you guys in my next video. Bye.